Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoin or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogecoin. First news today about evaluating the potential of this bullish case for Dogecoin. Dogecoin, Doge, oscillated between $0.3261 and $0.1456 for over 9 months, until the bears flipped the $0.1456 mark from support to resistance on 22 January. This bearish phase continued its trajectory in a down channel, white. Now, with the price approaching its long-term support and forming a falling wedge reversal pattern, Doge could eye a recovery towards the 12-cent zone, after testing its point of control, POC, red, at the 11-cent level. At press time, Doge traded at $0.1122. Doge daily chart since its October highs, the alt has declined by over 69%, at a short-lived rise of 9%, soaring to 11 cents across crypto exchanges. As reported by You Today earlier, one of the reasons Musk holds Dogecoin, and believes in its bright future, is that he reckons that Doge is fundamentally better than any other crypto he has seen. He stated that in a podcast of Lex Fridman in late December. Dogecoin price falls as India's central bank bans cryptos. The price of Dogecoin increased temporarily. Dogecoin's price action is not in a sweet spot. In just 5 minutes, comments trashed a planned bull target for next week at $0.1357. As a result, Dogecoin, Doge, dipped back to its opening level, and took another step away from where it had been before. The price of Dogecoin went down when the news came out. A trend line in an intermediate last 7 days. Terra Luna fell by 4.77% to $82.66. Polkadot also witnessed losses of 4.68% in the last 24 hours, declining to $26.91. The digital token Avalanche also fell by 6.80% in the last hours to $101.34. Cryptocurrency update. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu witnessed decline in value. Ether rises. Cryptocurrency prices were a mixed bag on Wednesday morning, 24 November. The global crypto market cap is at $2.55 trillion, falling by 0.72% over the last day. While Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Cardano registered losses, Ether and Binance Coin rose in value till 9:55 a.m. Meanwhile, Bitcoin fell by 1.07% to $56,377.33 in the last 24 hours. The largest digital token has witnessed a decline of 5.07% in the last week, as per CoinMarketCap. The token witnessed a record rise recently, rising to a record high of $69,000 recently, being up by 98% this year to date so far. Ethereum rose by 1.69% in value to $4,242.75. The second largest digital token has risen by 2.07% in the last 7 days. The digital currency has been rising in recent days due to wider adoption of cryptocurrencies in the mainstream as well as rising on Bitcoin's recent rally. Meanwhile, Cardano and Solana registered losses. Cardano fell by 6.62% in the last 24 hours to $1.68, while Solana lost 0.74% of its value, declining to $218.66. The value of Cardano has fallen by 8.77% in the last week, while Solana has witnessed a rise of 1.63% in its value over the last 7 days. Tether remained up by 0.03% at $1. The digital token has fallen by 0.03% in the last 7 days. The value of digital token Binance Coin rose by 2.48% to $581.21 in the last 24 hours. The digital currency has risen 1.13% in value over the last 7 days. XRP fell by 1.24% to $1.04, while Dogecoin also witnessed losses of 0.33% to decline to $0.02225. Shiba Inu also fell by 8.31% to $0.000404 in the last 24 hours. The digital token has declined by 15.24% in the last 7 days, providing infrastructure for institutional investors. HexTrust is among a crop of crypto startups trying to bring the Wall Street formula to digital assets, in everything from lending to custody and wealth management. Founded in 2018, it now has $5 billion in assets under custody from over 200 institutional clients, it said. Existing investors including QPN Capital, Kinetic Capital and Hashkey Capital also participated in the round, according to the statement. Joining them was New World Development Chief Executive Officer Adrian Cheng, who's begun backing startups that target the metaverse and Web3, touted as the blockchain-based future of the internet. Cheng said in a statement he made a personal investment in HexTrust, while his C Ventures vehicle has joined funding rounds for blockchain firms, including most recently Joseph Lubin's Consensus. HexTrust will use the proceeds to expand in Europe and the Middle East, and obtain additional licenses beyond its current bases in Hong Kong and Singapore. Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.